Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky will speak to U.S. President Donald Trump after the U.S. presented Ukraine with a draft peace plan to end the war with Russia. The plan was reportedly drafted by a U.S. special envoy and his Russian counterpart without Ukraine's involvement. In a statement, Zelensky's office said the U.S. believed the draft plan could help reinvigorate diplomacy and added that Ukraine had agreed to work on the plan's provisions in a way that would bring about a just end to the war. The statement also disclosed that Kyiv supported all substantive proposals capable of bringing genuine peace closer. And U.S. officials say more than 250 people have been arrested in Charlotte, North Carolina, as a part of President Donald Trump's escalating crackdown on undocumented immigration. Charlotte is the latest U.S. city that Trump has targeted with federal troops, following similar measures in bigger cities like Chicago and Los Angeles earlier this year. Officials with the Department of Homeland Security DHS told the BBC that those arrested are criminals and gang members. But local lawmakers and residents have railed against the detainments, which the federal government has dubbed Operation Charlotte's Web. The state's Democratic governor has alleged people are being targeted because of their race.